Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. My Instant Pot is a little bit meh about me because Instant Pot doesn't really have feelings. So sometimes I want to burn the world down. Today, I'm gonna settle for setting my eggs on fire. Instant Pot and I love to sit around and look at vintage recipes, and we found one for something called omelet. Oh, rum. That omelet has rum. And that rum is on fire. Instant Pot is just kind of hanging out and supervising today, so we've invited Instant Pot's good friend, Burner. How you doing today, Burner? Thanks for coming. I think about fire a lot. Eggs. People try to make omelets without eggs, but that's just disgusting and foolhardy. Don't call that an omelet. That's a lie. We have enough of those. What was that joke you were telling me, Burner? That's the one. You never did tell me how you and Instant Pot know each other, Burner. Showtime. Burner. Instant Pot, you never told me that. It's nice to have friends. Glad Instant Pot can have some friends. Will you be my friend, Burner? Okay. Gonna whip these eggs together. Some people like to put cream in their omelets, but they have bodies that aren't broken like mine and can process dairy. I could have the dairy, then things would go poorly for me. Things are already going poorly for me. Maybe the fire will help. The way Mr. Thomas J. Murray explained making this recipe in Breakfast Dainties: prepare an omelet as has been directed, fold it, and turn it out onto a hot dish. Dust a liberal amount of powdered sugar over it and singe the sugar into neat stripes with a hot iron rod heated on the coals. Pour a wine glass full of warm Jamaican rum around it, and when on the table, set fire to it. With a tablespoon, dash the burning rum over the omelet, blow out the fire, and serve. I don't have a hot iron rod. I don't have coals, but I have Burner. Sometimes I worry that Instant Pot is jealous of Burner. I say that's okay. Don't worry, my love is true. Burner, butter. Breakfast happens in the morning. I don't know what times of day are anymore. I just know when I get fed and when I sleep. I like that part best. I dream of fire sometimes. I think Burner and Instant Pot are talking. Maybe they have a surprise in mind for me. It's almost like having a friend. What do you do when you're not here, Burner? Do you drive a car? Do you have a house? Do you watch television? Do you fly on a plane? Do you vote in elections? Do you cause elections? Are you responsible, Burner? You have a girlfriend, Burner. Burner, what's your Instagram handle? Omelet's done. Now it's time for the sweetness. You're probably not used to a sweet omelet, but they're a thing, I promise. Some people put jelly in their omelet. You're allowed to like what you like and love who you love. I love omelets. I love you, Burner. You know how I feel, Instant Pot. Back in Mr. Thomas J. Murray's day, powdered sugar meant a different thing. I think that would be pretty terrible. I also don't have coals or a hot iron rod. I work with what is given to me. And what is given to me today is fire. But we're not done yet. Oh no, we're not. Now that we've harnessed the elements, if this doesn't go well, tell someone I was here. This recipe was very popular on menus in the early 1900s and the 1940s, and then it stopped being popular. Maybe people are afraid of fire. I'm not. I'm not afraid of much anymore. Burn, omelet, burn! You're all here to witness this, in case we need such a thing. Sugar crackles, the rum burns. It's sweet, and it's drunk, and it's eggy, and it feels like I'm eating power. This one's for me.